At Facebook, we believe our platform provides creators the best opportunity to build meaningful connections with their online community. Today, we're very excited to announce a product that truly supports that mission. We call it Professional Mode. It's a feature set that provides anyone the opportunity to activate creator tools and creator opportunities on their personal Facebook profile. This is different than a page. For the first time, you will be able to activate this feature set directly on your personal Facebook profile without having to create a page. When you activate Professional Mode, you'll have access to professional tools designed to help you gain followers as you post public content and build a global community beyond your friends and family. You'll have access to Professional Dashboard, Post Composer, and you may even be eligible for watching your public content. And that's just the beginning. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you'll also have access to monetization opportunities on Professional Mode, such as stars and ads on Facebook Reels, where you'll be able to earn money for posting your content to a public audience. We've built Professional Mode so that you can choose who you post your content to. This allows you to maintain your ability to post privately to friends and family, or to a larger public audience and remain safe. Again, you'll have access to all these features and more on your personal profile in Professional Mode, all without having to create a page and manage a separate presence on Facebook. Visit your profile and click on the Profile Action menu. It's the button with the 3 dots under your name. Then scroll to the bottom and select Turn on Professional Mode. Through our product testing so far, we've already seen thousands of new Facebook creators find success with Professional Mode. So we're excited to see the thriving online communities you build as well.
Get more content, entertainment, support and current news. Click on the subscribe button. Thanks.